we're making a Crunchwrap Supreme, or a spin off it, inspired from Taco Bell of all places. I'm not really sure why, but it just sounded really good with all those flavors, and so now we're gonna do it and recreate it and make it vegan. So you'll need I have a couple large tortillas over here, then a couple tostadas, as well as some tomatoes and some lettuce and some vegan sour cream. Now you can buy that or you can make it. Recipe alert, I've done it before in a creamy vegan special, so I'll link that, as well as your favorite vegan cheese. Some pecan taco meat, and I just love this stuff, and I have this on my blog and we've made it before in the taco pasta recipe, so I'll link that below. And then all you want to do to that is brown it, add some taco seasoning and a little water as you would for the package, and cook it up, and then you have some delicious vegan taco meat. So that's everything you want. So first you want to add a couple tablespoons or so of your favorite vegan cheese, about a half cup of the beefless crumbles on top of that, and then you add your tostada to give it the crunch, and then you add your sour cream, add your lettuce and your tomato, and then you just want to add more cheese. Then you just start at the bottom and fold towards the center. A couple tablespoons of this, a cup of the taco meat, that's vegan. Then your tostada, your sour cream, tomato, so a little extra cheese, and you fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, and final fold. See? On a medium heat, heat up just a tiny dab of oil, tiny dab will do it. Ta-da! So that's it. So just take them until they're golden brown on each side. Layers of flavors, absolutely delicious. I know you're gonna like it. Go to artisticvegan.com to get the recipe.
Cut the video, it's time to eat. Very, very good. Look at that. Delicious.
And if you want to try some of these recipes, we'd love to have you in May 20th to June 20th. We're having another event for Gravity Body Academy, my husband Gerald Clark and I. So you can go to gravitybodyacademy.com to learn more about that, and we hope to see you there.